Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best in innovation, design, and performance from the world of machines. Today, we're excited to unveil the 2025 Ford 9N, a modern masterpiece that pays tribute to one of the most iconic tractors of all time. Stick with us as we take you on an in-depth tour of this remarkable blend of history and cutting-edge technology. The Ford 9N has been a symbol of reliability and performance since its original debut in the 1940s. The 2025 version stays true to its heritage while incorporating modern advancements that take it to the next level. From its sleek sky blue finish to its updated engineering, the Ford 9N 2025 is designed for today's farmers and enthusiasts who value both style and functionality. Starting with the design, the 2025 Ford 9N is a perfect balance of vintage charm and contemporary aesthetics. The sky blue paint highlights the smooth, streamlined body, while polished metallic components add a modern touch. The tires are large and rugged, ensuring durability across any terrain, while the refined grille and headlights give it a bold, sophisticated look. This tractor isn't just a workhorse, it's a statement of craftsmanship and innovation. Under the hood, the Ford 9N 2025 is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine that delivers exceptional performance while being environmentally friendly. With improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, it's designed for the future of farming. The advanced transmission system ensures smooth and precise operation, whether you're plowing fields or hauling heavy loads. This tractor is built to handle tough jobs while maintaining peak efficiency. Step into the driver's seat, and you'll find a cabin designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The ergonomic seat provides excellent support for long hours of work, and the digital control panel puts everything you need at your fingertips. The touchscreen interface allows you to monitor performance, adjust settings, and access real-time data, making your tasks easier and more efficient. The Ford 9N 2025 is truly a tractor for the modern age, combining functionality with smart technology. One of the standout features of this model is its versatility. Whether you're a professional farmer, a hobbyist, or someone looking to add a classic piece of machinery to your collection, the Ford 9N 2025 delivers. It's capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from tilling and planting to transportation and maintenance. Its compact size and powerful capabilities make it an excellent choice for small and large operations alike. Let's not forget about safety. Ford has equipped the 9N 2025 with advanced safety features, including automatic braking, rollover protection, and adaptive lighting for nighttime operation. These features ensure that you can work with confidence, knowing that your equipment has your back. As we wrap up, the 2025 Ford 9N isn't just a tractor, it's a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and quality. It's a machine that honors its past while embracing the future, making it a must-have for anyone who values performance, reliability, and style. If you're as excited about the Ford 9N 2025 as we are, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think about this incredible tractor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.